Hey! Today we're gonna make the fastest and easiest pizza you're ever gonna make. I'm gonna start by preparing my toppings. I'm gonna make two different pizzas, one with corn and chicken and one Hawaii style. So let's start. I'm gonna take one chicken breast and chop it up. And now you're gonna season your chicken with some seasonings of your choice. Okay, and let's fry it now. And just let it fry for 10 minutes. Now it's done. Now we're gonna prepare our pizzas. This is actually a perfect leftover dish because you're just gonna take some leftover tortillas. And you're gonna put some tomato sauce on each one of it. Now you're gonna top it with some cheese. I'm gonna use shredded Gouda and mozzarella. But you can use any melted cheese of your choice. Melted cheese that melts, whatever. I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano to make it a little bit more pizza. And now you're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes on 200 degrees.